So, hi, good evening. How are you all? Welcome back, and thank you for staying tuned with me for the various videos which I am giving time to time. And today, this weekend, I have brought a new video for you, and let's take a tour of that. Today, I am going to explain you about what actually the document number ranges in SAP. Very important aspect without which you are not able to post any document. You cannot make any transaction in the SAP system. In my past videos, you already saw I have given some document types. I have explained you about the document types, as there are various document types when you talk customer invoice, vendor payment, vendor invoice, right? So, whatever the document types are there, whatever the transactions you are posting in SAP system, they get stored in the SAP. How they get stored? Because the moment you post a transaction or you uh, post a certain document, that stores get stored in the SAP by giving a number. An internal number is being assigned to your document. How this number will be generated? Every document has a unique number, but how that particular number will be assigned? So that is in question over here. We need to define document number ranges. If you see over here, document ranges defined in SAP systems to control the following: helps to store document in SAP as per business transactions, differentiate postings. If you see it's a vendor payment, customer payment, it's an invoice, okay. And as I said, if you don't define a number range, you can't post a document in the SAP system. Now, if you see this area where I given some example document types and number ranges, I will show you practically how this is going to impact, and how before defining this number range, I will explain you that how these numbers range are already present in the SAP system, already available in a standard SAP system. I will take for example simple DR. DR is nothing but a number has been assigned which is 18. Correct. Now I will go to the SAP. I will open the SAP. Um, okay. Yeah. I will go to the, as usual, implementation guide, reference IMG, financial accounting new, then global settings new, then I have a document, and I have a document number ranges. Okay, this is the step where I will define actually how to configure the number range. But before this, I will take a um, I will relook. I will show you the document types. I will recapture the thing which I have already explained you. The document types. When I go to this document types, and if I click this one, you see I am going to explain you about DR, which is what is DR actually, and what is this number range. Suppose if I position DR here and I press enter over here, you will see this DR means customer invoice, right? And if I double click on this line, if I double click in this line, you will find out this 18 already a number range is given for customer invoice. This 18, that's why I have given the 18 over here, because already that number range has been defined. Similarly, I want to explain you if dz is there. If dz I am going to take dz. If I take dz and I will double click dz, this is the customer payment. If I double click over here, you see the number range is 14. So the number range is 14 over here. So this is how you not only uh, look out for these customers invoices or vendor invoices or APAR documents, whatever the document types or whatever the transactions you are performing in the system, maybe asset accounting, maybe any other sub module. Every sort of transaction has a unique document type, and that unique document type is having a number range information. Correct? So how you will configure now? Coming to the point now, how you will configure the document number ranges? I will go back. I will close this one. This is the step document number ranges. And if you see the documents in entry view, define document number ranges for entry view. So I will click on this one, and for example I will give a company code. For example, in my case, my company code is 1467, and I want to see that how many intervals I have created. So if you see 0, 1, 12, 14, 18, 19, right? 01 is for the general ledger document which has been given over here. 12, 14, 18, these are also document types. I already explained you in the slide as well. So already if you see, it has been given, but how you will configure? Let's say for example I want to configure for a document type. Let's say I want to configure 13. This is a vendor document actually. Suppose I want to configure 13. So how can I do? I have this option in the middle, intervals, change intervals. If I click on this one, I have a plus sign over here. I can click here and I can give 13 here. My financial year, let's say my financial year is now 25-26. I will give 25. Sorry, I will give 2025. And let's say now here one thing which you have to notice very carefully, that is very important, which you have to give over here is you need to see that what last number range you have given and what is the next number range. You have to give in sequence, in order you have to give the number range. Suppose if you see, I have given an order. Okay, you can give anything, 4000, 2000, how many documents you want to keep, right? It is not restricted to this format. You can take any format, right? Suppose I have taken the last limit is 800 to 900. I can take here, let's say I'm going to take 901, and I'm going to take 901 to, let's say I am taking 1000, and I will press enter. I will take this one as a 901 to 1000. So this is how I can take the my number ranges. I can accordingly, whatever the document types you are interacting in the SAP FICO, like asset accounting it could be, or any other module, accordingly you can set the number ranges over here and you can save it. Now what will happen? You are ready to post the document, and when you are going to post any document, it will be saved into the system. Hope you enjoyed this video very much, and we will be coming with a new topic as well. Thank you very much.